A local store is putting new technology on its shelves, but it's not for sale. Nebraska Furniture Mart is one of the first major retailers in the U.S. to start using electronic labels. KMBC 9's Haley Harrison shows us they're designed to save the store's time and shoppers money.
Well, the technology that was first used on military bases is now working its way onto store shelves just in time for the holiday shopping season.
In a world where the prices on products are changing hundreds of times a week, Nebraska Furniture Mart is striving to be quicker, faster, and cheaper.
So far, when I'm looking for like a mattress or furniture, this is the place right here.
New electronic price tags in the store are helping the furniture chain not just meet, but beat the competition's prices on electronics and appliances every morning before the sales floor opens.
Oh, okay, I really like them. Yes, that's great.
A transmitter in the ceiling beams the best deals to each digitized device before customers even walk in the door.
I think anytime that you can go digital, that it's a lot quicker.
Retailers like Kohl's are already using similar technology. Swedish company Pricer is behind the gadgets now found at Nebraska Furniture Mart. Their electronic labels are in 450 stores in the U.S. They were first used in commissaries or military grocery stores. Business is booming for Pricer as more retailers are getting interested in their technology.
It's being able to react competitively instantly. And that's what they haven't been able to do before.
At $5 to $15 a pop, the battery-powered devices aren't cheap, but Pricer claims they save companies on the manpower of changing each price sticker individually. Customers are intrigued.
I'm going in now.
Are you going to go check them out?
Yes.
Pricer says the Nebraska Furniture Mart is just the latest company to deploy this technology in their stores. There are others who are testing it currently in pilot programs. In Kansas City, Kansas, Haley Harrison, KMBC 9 News.